Hi guys, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video, we will be converting the text to speech in offline using PyTT63 module. We need to install it, right? The command for that is pip install PyTT63. Okay, this is the command to install. Place it in your terminal. It will install. Okay, we will be importing PyTT63. Okay, now we need to write the code. I will be creating a variable engine. You can create anything. Uh, After that, you need to write pyttsx3.init. We are initializing this function into the engine variable to get engine dot say and write the code. Write the text you need to write. Hi, I am Rohit. Okay, I need to speak this text out. Okay, this is not enough for this code. We need to write again engine dot run and wait into the brackets. That's it. We have written our code. Let's run it.
Hi, I am Rohit.
I think you can't listen it because I'm not really recording the system audio. You may get it. Okay, if you got an error, please comment down. I will make the video further. Okay, there is an easy way instead of that. What you will be doing is I will be deleting this line. Sorry, I need this. Okay, after that now you need to do. I will be commenting this thing. Now from pyttsx3 import speak. Write this and write speak and place the text you need to speak. Hi, I am Rohit. Okay, that's it. This code is enough 2 lines of code.
Hi, I am Rohit.
Yeah, it had speak it out. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video with an amazing topic. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.